Look, I love the beach, but pedaling through soft sand or against a stiff ocean breeze can be a real workout. I wanted to see which cruiser actually makes the ride feel like a vacation. So I spent the last month testing the most popular models out there. I found 5 that actually live up to the hype. Product number 1, JCN YC1 ST Electric Bike. When I first hopped on the JCN YC1, the thing that struck me was how light it felt for a bike with a 750-watt peak motor. The internal battery is tucked away so neatly that it doesn't even look like an e-bike at first glance. I took this out for a long afternoon ride, and the front suspension really saved my wrists when the pavement got a bit choppy. It's got that classic city look, but packs enough punch to hit 25 miles per hour without breaking a sweat. I especially like the 7-speed shifter. It's smooth and doesn't clunk when you're trying to find the right rhythm. If you're someone who wants a bike that looks normal but needs that extra boost for a 50-mile weekend trek, this is a solid pick. It feels sturdy, safe, and honestly just looks great parked at a cafe.
Product number 2, AWD Electric Bike 1500 watt. This thing is an absolute beast. The moment I twisted the throttle, I could feel that 1500 watt peak power. It's got way more kick than your average cruiser. I took it out on some pretty steep hills that usually leave me gasping, and it just flew right up them. The 24-inch fat tires are the real star here. They're wide enough to handle loose dirt and sand without sliding around. I noticed the step-through frame makes it super easy to jump on and off, which is a lifesaver if you're carrying groceries on the back rack. The battery is massive too. I got through a whole weekend of riding without needing a charge. If you've got a need for speed or live somewhere with hills that look like mountains, this is the powerhouse you want in your garage.
Product number 3, AWD Electric Mountain e-bike. Opening the box for the AWD, I was impressed by the cargo setup. It's got racks on the front and back, which I used to haul a cooler down to the shore. Even with all that extra weight, the 1000-watt motor didn't lag at all. What's cool is how customizable the ride is. You've got 5 different assist levels. I spent most of my time in the middle setting, which felt like a natural breeze pushing me along. The charging time was surprisingly fast too. I plugged it in after lunch and it was topped off before I was ready to head back out. It feels a bit more rugged than a standard cruiser, almost like a mountain bike hybrid. If you're the type who carries a lot of gear and wants a quick turnaround on battery life, this is your best bet.
Product number 4, Mooncool Step-Through Electric Cruiser. The Mooncool has a very specific chill vibe that I really appreciated. The aluminum frame is lightweight, so it's easy to maneuver if you're weaving through a crowded boardwalk. I spent a lot of time looking at the color LCD display while riding. It's bright and easy to read, even in direct midday sun, which is a big plus. The 700-watt peak power gives you a nice, steady climb on overpasses without feeling jerky. It feels very balanced and predictable, which is exactly what you want in a commuter. I'd say this is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a reliable, stylish bike for getting to work or cruising the neighborhood. It's not trying to be a dirt bike. It's just a really well-made, comfortable cruiser that does exactly what it promises.
Product number 5, 24-inch step-through city cruiser with basket. This bike is all about convenience. When I saw the front basket, I knew it was going to be my go-to for quick errands. It even has full suspension, which is rare for a bike in this style. It felt like riding on a cloud, even when I hit some gnarly potholes. The 20-mile-per-hour top speed is perfect for city streets, and the brakes are snappy enough to give me total confidence in traffic. I noticed the seat is extra adjustable, so I could dial in the height perfectly to keep my back from aching. It's UL certified too, which gives me peace of mind when I'm charging it overnight. If you want a bike that's ready for real life with plenty of storage and a super comfy ride, this one is a winner. Outro. Choosing the right bike really comes down to where you're riding and how much gear you're hauling. I've put links to all 5 of these in the description below so you can check the latest prices. Let me know which one you're leaning toward.